to navigate financial conversations in a marriage. When was the last time you and your partner actually sat down to talk about money not as a problem but as a team? I've been married for more than 2 decades. I get it. I know it's hard, but it's a must have conversation. Meet Sonal and Jay. Sonal grew up in a house where money was always tight and tough. Every rupee that was spent was counted, every purchase was weighed carefully. On the other hand, Jay came from a family that never really talked about money. If they wanted something, they just got it. Now, after 2 years of marriage, their differences in handling finances starting to become a problem. Let me narrate a scene to you. Sonal just saw Jay walk in holding shopping bag and immediately questioning him. She asked, "What was it?" Jay grinningly said or explained that was a new gadget. He mentioned that it had been on sale and that he had thought, why not? What's the big deal? What's the problem? Sonal let out a frustrated sigh in anger and reminded him that they had just discussed cutting back that month. She asked how they were ever going to save for the house if they kept spending like that. Jay sounded defensive, responded that it was just one thing, what's the big deal? He argued that he worked so hard and asked whether he didn't deserve it to enjoy his own money. Sounds familiar? You are not alone because financial stress is one of the biggest sources of conflict in our marriages. But here's the thing, it's not about the money, it's about communication, about values and trust. So, how do you and your partner really navigate those financial conversations without turning them into a battlefield, without getting hostile? Let me break it down for you. This has really helped my marriage. That's why I'm sharing it with you. Step number one, understand each other's money stories. Before you can fix financial conflicts, you need to first understand where your partner comes from. Ask each other, how did your family handle money when you were growing up? What's your biggest fear when it comes to finances? Do you see money as safety, security, freedom? Or do you see it as something else? Once Sonal and Jay started to share more openly, freely, directly, and honestly about their backgrounds, their insecurities, they realized that their differences were not personal, they were just learned habits. So, the understanding of this is extremely important, and that's why it's step number one. Step number two, set shared financial goals. Jay says, okay, so a house in 5 years, emergency fund, and vacations. That's what we both want, right? Sonal goes, yes, I agree. But we need to plan monthly budgets so we don't stress about spending too much. Instead of fighting over small purchases, let's focus on the big picture. Setting shared goals turns money conversations into teamwork, into team effort rather than a battlefield. It's not about you versus me, it's about you working with me. Step number three, have money meetings. This is what me and my husband do every month. We have the happy money meetings. Yes, it's like a business. Make financial check ins a regular habit in your marriage. Once a month, grab a coffee, sit down in a light mood, go over bills and expenses, saving progress, upcoming purchases. Talk about it, keep it light, celebrate small wins, adjust when needed, and most importantly, listen to understand each other. Step number four, create fun money for freedom. Here's a pro tip to avoid guilt and resentment. Set aside personal spending money for each other. Sonal and Jay now have no questions asked money each month. Sonal spends hers on books, Jay spends on his gadgets. No fights and no stress. Remember, a stronger marriage starts with financial harmony. Money conversations don't have to be scary or stressful. When done right, they can actually bring you both closer, can help you build a better bond with your spouse, just like it's helped me and my husband. If this video has helped you, please hit like right now, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you and your partner plan to handle financial conversations after seeing this video? Let's learn from one another. This is our mission at Happiness is Love, that when we share, we learn, we grow, we heal, we build ourselves, each other, our families, our communities, and a better world. Stay tuned for more.